Hi guys, this is the Java series. Now let's discuss about the inbuilt method toString. Okay, this method is present inside the object class. Okay, this object inbuilt method is present inside the java.lang package. Got it? Okay, what is the role of the toString method? It returns the string representation of the object. That is, if we print any object, Java compiler internally invokes the toString method on the object. Okay, I repeat it again. What is the role of the toString method? The toString method returns the string representation of the object. Okay, if we want to print any object, Java compiler internally invokes this toString method on the object. Okay, and what is the default behavior of toString method? It is used to print class name and then the @ symbol and then hexadecimal representation of the hash code of the object. Okay, I hope you all understood up to this. Here, this is the example program. Here, I have created the module 1. This is the name of the package. Okay, inside this package, I have created the class. Class name is without toStr. Okay, and inside this class, I have created 3 variables: roll number, name, and city. So, its data type is integer, and name data type is string, and city data type is string. And what is this? This is the parameterized constructor. We have already discussed about the parameterized constructor. Constructor should be same as the name of the class, isn't it? And here we have the parameters. That's why we can call it as parameterized constructor. Okay, this keyword I have used. So what is the role of this? This refers to the current class object. Okay, and this dot roll number is equal to the roll number. So this is the argument name. Okay, roll number, and this roll number is from this class variable. Got it? This constructor is used to initialize all the variables, roll number, name, and city, which all belongs to this class. That's why we can use this keyword here. Okay, and this roll number, name, and city or the argument values. Okay, and here I have created the main method. Execution starts only from this main method. Okay, and I have created the object for this class S1. Okay, and S2, this is also the second object for the same class. Okay, new keyword I have used, and this is the parameterized constructor. So after encounter this line, the control jumps from the 15th line to the 7th line. Okay, and the control carries these values 101, RAM, and Richie. Okay, these values will be stored inside the roll number, name, and city respectively. Okay, and all the variables which are belongs to this class, that is roll number, name, and city, will be initialized with the help of these values. Up to this clear? The control again jumps back from 12th line to the 16th line. Here I have created one more object. Okay, but the values alone different. So the control again jumps from the 16th line to this parameterized constructor, and all the values are initialized with these values. Got it? And here I try to print the object. So now only we have discussed. If I try to print the object, means what will happen? Java compiler internally invokes the toString method on the object. Am I correct? This toString method is present inside the object inbuilt class. that object inbuilt class is present inside the java.language package, isn't it? Here, import java.language.object. O must be capital. Okay. Here, I import the java.language.object class. So, this is the inbuilt class. This inbuilt class is present inside this java.language package. Okay. This inbuilt class is the superclass for all the user-defined classes. In polymorphism concept, we have discussed about the overriding concept. Okay. So, inside this object class, we have the inbuilt method toString. Okay. So, if I try to print the S1 on my console means, because of this method, we will get the name of the class, at symbol, and then unsigned hexadecimal representation of the hash code of the object. Okay, let me execute this one. So, this is our output. This is not a human readable one, isn't it? So, I didn't understand. So, what I will do? I have to override the inbuilt toString method to get the specified values. Am I correct? So, let's see this example. Here, this is my class name. Okay. Here, I have given this package. This is only the default package. But some packages we have to import explicitly. Okay, this is the default. So, there is no need to import like this. Okay. For example, if I want to use the scanner class means I have to import the java.util package explicitly. That's why I didn't use this statement inside this program. Okay. So, this class is the subclass for the object class. Okay. So, object class is present inside the java.language package. Got it? And inside the object class only we have the toString inbuilt method. Now, I want to override the inbuilt method which is present inside the object class. Why? Because I want to print the specified values of the object. Okay, all the code are the same like the previous. But here I have the user defined function toString method. Okay, so you have to write the same letters. Okay, here I have the capital. So, this method is the user defined method. This method is present inside this user defined class. But this user defined class is the subclass for the object inbuilt class. Inside this object inbuilt class only we have the toString inbuilt method. Isn't it? Now, this toString user defined method overrides the method which is present inside the object inbuilt class. That is the superclass for this toString class. Isn't it? Am I correct? Here what will happen? This method overrides the inbuilt method toString which is present inside the object class. So, this method only return this value on our console. Got it? And here the same like the previous. Okay. And here I have the S1 and S2. I try to print the S1 and S2 object on my console. But this time I won't get this type of output. Why? Because here I have used the user defined function toString, isn't it? This toString user defined method overrides the method which is present inside the object inbuilt class. That is the superclass for this toString, isn't it? So, this value only will be displayed on our console. Got it? Let me execute this one. Here I got the output. Okay. If I am not use the toString user defined function inside this class means the method which is present inside the object class only will be invoked. Okay, but in this example, I have used the user-defined method which is present inside this subclass. Okay, so what is the superclass for this subclass? Object inbuilt class. Okay, that is present inside the java.lang language. This is the default one, so there is no need to import. Okay, so this user-defined method overrides the method which is present inside the object inbuilt class. That's why we got the values instead of this output. Okay, so I got the specified values for the S1 and S2 on my console. I hope you all understood about the toString method. Okay, and polymorphism concept is implemented here. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.